Hey everyone, welcome to the video today on the S&P 500. This is July 1st. We have completed one half of the year. And before I get into any of this, of course, as you all know, this is not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. You're responsible for your own trades, manage your own risk, doing your own research. I'm just giving my opinion on the market. So let's go ahead and take a look at the good old charts over here. We've been keeping an eye on this for quite some time. And, I was talking about how we were, still in the middle of a bit of a corrective cycle. I think Bitcoin is also in this same atmosphere. And I want to talk about this count that I've had. I've got a couple red zones here. We've got basically the 618. We're trying to test that right now, which is at 3113.50. Okay, that's our 618. We're starting to see a little bit of resistance there, but what I'm looking at here, and this, as the time goes by, the count becomes a little bit more clear. So let's just take a look at this. Of course, we've already kind of recounted this right here. We've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pretty clear. 5 down here to complete the A. Now we're in an A, B, C correction. So we've got the A, 5 waves into A, B, C into the B. And then we work on 5 waves up because corrections, typically you'll have like a 333 or a 535, and I think we've got a 5-3 working on the 5 now. And looking at this move, a rejection here at the 618 seems reasonable to expect that there would be some kind of a rejection there. On the hourly, we are completely unconfirmed because we're still in the middle of this hourly candle, and we really need one more hourly candle after this to confirm any kind of divergence. But we are starting to create, we've got a high here, we have a higher high. So far the hourly Stoke, or sorry, this is the RSI. So far the hourly RSI is showing signs of weakness, but again, this is way, way, way early to even say that. I'm just saying it because I'm keeping my eye on it, not necessarily that I believe that this is the end, but as you all can see down here, we've got just the unlimited money printer. We are in really bad economic times, but yet the stock market just printed like the best quarter in like 30 years, something ridiculous like that. So at any rate, we're trying to push up here a little bit. Our algo target technically is sitting up here at 3128.50, and that algo target is based on the size of wave 3, because we had basically our 1, 2, and then we have got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into the 3, A, B, C into the 4, and now we're working on our 5th move, 5th wave. So we've got this 3128.50. I believed at one point that we would make it all the way up here to the 786, which is at 3165. Okay, that's still on the table, right? With the algo target sitting here at 3128, the longer that this sucker takes, the higher the probability is that it makes it up here to the 786. It seems reasonable to get up there to the 786. I like the pullback here. We had a front run of the 382, which is a sign of strength. Okay, and the hour before the trading session opened was pretty good, and this current hourly candle it's looking okay. There's of course is an increase in volume, as there always is with the actual trading session, not futures trading. You can see where we have actual trading, futures trading, actual trading, futures trading. There's definitely a spike when you have actual trading, with the entire market open and not just futures. So this looks like a good move to see a little bit more upside here. I know we're getting a little bit of selling into this open. That's to be expected, and now we're going to have to wait and see what happens throughout the duration of the day. I tend to believe that today is probably going to be somewhat strong. Could be completely wrong there, but I think today is going to be somewhat strong. We're going to have a long weekend. I'm not going to be holding any significant positions over the weekend, and for that, this is kind of where I'm going to end. I think that potentially we're going to have a strong day, and then what happens after today is really going to kind of be, it's up in the air. It's going to be up in the air. We really don't know where things are going to end, but I guess where things are going to end after the weekend is over. I should qualify that. because we have a long weekend, and I think we should all enjoy it and not be stressing out over any positions that we're currently in. So I'm going to leave it at that. I'm going to keep it nice and short today. Probably one of my shortest S&P videos. If you want detail on any of what you see on this video today, you need to go back and look at the videos from yesterday, the day before, because really this path was laid out for us, last week, and I've been mapping out this path, and really it's largely been unchanged. Largely it's been unchanged. Maybe we're printing some bearish divergence and this move is done, but I tend to believe that throughout the duration of today, over the next few hours, we're probably going to see an upside move. But at some point, this move may complete today. So yeah, I think that's where I'm going to leave that for right now. And of course, if you guys have any questions or anything, feel free to pop in the Discord. If you don't have an invite to the Discord, just throw in a comment in the YouTube chat. I'll be more than happy to get an invite code out to you. I'm just checking out one more thing here just to see if I'm going to get some confluence on this, to see if this is making any sense here. If this looks a little bit better, actually. I just happened to glance at this. When you're looking at channels, this looks a little better than the channel that we currently had. I'm going to remove the background here. But this channel looks okay. I'm going to remove some of these fib pulls because this is looking decent for a move, probably up to at least 31.35, maybe 31.40 over the next several hours. I have good confluence here at the median, more clustering here at the median, support here, support just last night, and now I would say that we do have that move up here, which I had at 31.28. So this still looks pretty good. Again, for an upside move today. Whatever happens after today, that's going to be really up in the air, but I think that this does look pretty good for a continued move up. At least to this area in the middle of our two red zones. All right. If this video did help you in any way, shape, or form, like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. And of course, wherever you are in the world, I hope you're having a good day, good night, good evening. Stay happy, stay healthy. If you're in the United States, have a good 4th of July weekend. Don't blow your hand off. Be safe.